Hi there, this is Craig from Precision Pyramids, and I am today going to show my um, Giza 2x2 corners kit that's printed from my 3D printer. This is the apex. Each of these pieces, there's 5 pieces. There's the bottom corner pieces, there are 4 of those, and then 1 apex. Each of these takes approximately a full day of 24 hours of printing, but it's very precision, exact angles of the Great Pyramid, um, and also made from PLA, which is a 100% natural plant-based plastic. Um, and so it's just a kit where you buy the 5 corner pieces, or you can buy just the apex piece if you prefer. And then you buy your own 2x2s, and they just connect together accordingly. And this one is just done with 8-foot 2x2s. And there you go, in the dimensions of the Great Pyramid.